Do you want to come watch me do some stretch and folds? That's what I'm doing now, so let's go see. Ooh, I gotta wet my hands. Really just one hand. So something I like to do when I'm stretching and folding to keep things moving is actually scrape everything, you know, so I'm not leaving stuff behind. I want this all to be bread. Oh, oh, oh. So wet. That's cool. So that all goes there. And boom. And then et voila. So the goal is to get that bread done tonight and then in the fridge so I can cold proof overnight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna bake it. That's what's happening.